Evening, folks. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I believe it's Sunday, December the 19th. Might be wrong on that day, but anyway. So, we got this here. I'm doing a complete inverter install. The gentleman bought the wrong setup, but it's okay. We made it work. So, we got this power switch, Zantrex 2000 watts. I had to get this external. He didn't have an internal transfer switch. So I bought this external, had it wired up. So one comes from the shore power, and then it goes in. You got two inputs, see it? From inverter, from auxiliary, and out. So this is my box out. This goes back to the circuit breaker in a box I'll about show you. So I did all this. All right, and he had the two batteries installed. I have to cut a little bit more, somebody didn't do it right. Now, so we wired an internal switch to turn it on and off, which is this little guy. Okay, and then I have to zip tie all this up. So the coach was semi-wired for an inverter, but of course, you know, all they did is run the 120 cord out there, 15 amp Romex cable, white. Okay, all right, so hold on, put you on hold. Okay, we're back. So I put the switch right here. So that's the on and off. And this circuit breaker right here in this box is a 15 amp. See, it says inverter outlet. So it fires up the TV. You can see it's on red right there. And this one outlet. So he bought that. I had to buy some extra stuff. So here we go. We're at 122. We're on inverter power. We're disconnected from shore. There's my load. Let me get that out of the way. Of course, it's in the way, right? 120. Now I'm going for the first heat. Select 114, 113. There you go. The heats are coming out. It's cold out here. Now I'm going to go for the max of 1500 watts. Just to load tested heavy. Watch the voltage drop. All right, ready? I'm getting ready to put it on the second heating element. And we don't really want to see below 108. So the inverter's doing a very good job of holding up. See, it did drop a little bit. Now DC, them batteries are dying back here. We don't have a way to monitor it. He did not want to do that. So we're going, there you go. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. You can stop by the garage. I'll teach you how to do it, or I'll install it for you. This is a fifth wheeler. I think it's a 2019, 2020. So I got to get busy, put the panels back in, zip tie all the wires up, and get it looking good again. All right, there you go. It's got a motion detection light right here. Probably that was off. There you go. Okay. So that, I was wondering why there wasn't a door switch when you come in. So it's auto detection light. All right, and you got this one over here. Watch it walk. All right, here you go. So that's a pretty nice little coach, or fifth wheeler. I'm not a fiber guy, but hey, I like this Furrion stove and all, but they're having a lot of problems with them. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics with an install of a inverter setup, and I showed you the routing and all, and the batteries and the fuses and the I got even overrated the 300 amp disconnect switch. I'd rather have a little bit extra in there because you never know. All right, a little bit more is better than not enough, or the cheap version. Thank you very much. It's Jeff from RV Diagnostics with a Inverter Install 2000 watt. Thank you.